Yo, what's up, 7th grade scientists? Mr. Salad coming at you from my classroom. Got some new swag in the class. We got the smart board. We got some new shelves. We got some new tables and chairs. All that good stuff. Hopefully we're back sometime next semester. And if you guys ever need to stop by, just let me know. Okay? Love to see y'all. For today, this is one of my favorite phase change demos. So you guys are in for a treat. Okay? We will be looking at the element iodine. Now, iodine at room temperature exists as a solid, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and switch my camera up and show you what we're gonna do with these iodine crystals in the solid state. And once again, this is really cool. I think you guys will enjoy. What up again? So here we go. Here are our iodine crystals. They're absolutely beautiful. They got a little bit of shine to them. They got a little bit of sparkle. It's kind of like a gray crystal that we can see right there. Okay. And what we will be doing this with, y'all, is we're going to be putting these iodine crystals into our flask right here. And we're going to be placing this flask on a heating plate, and we're going to be sublimating these iodine crystals, y'all. Okay? I will have the setup for you here in the next scene. Alright, so what we have, y'all, is we got our flask full of iodine crystals, y'all, on a hot plate, and that hot plate is adding energy to our iodine crystals. On top of the iodine crystals, y'all, we also have a test tube of cold water. Now, that test tube of cold water is there because not only are these iodine crystals first going to sublimate, which means they're going to go right from a solid to a gas, but then they're going to hit this cold water test tube, and it should then go back to a solid and make some really cool ice crystals as well, y'all. Okay? Alright, y'all, and we can see that beautiful purple gas inside our Erlenmeyer flask. And if we look really carefully, y'all, and maybe not so much right now, oh yeah, there we go, okay? On the very end of our test tubes, we begin to see those iodine crystals begin to form from a gas directly to a solid. Super, super cool. We will check back in here in just a moment. Tube and observe our iodine crystals that formed on top of on the bottom of our test tube, y'all. They are super beautiful. Let me make sure I can zoom in on our iodine crystals. There we go. Okay, so looking at these, y'all, you see these beautiful chandeliers of iodine crystals that were formed at the bottom from a gas. So this is a really cool example of a gaseous substance going straight to a solid substance. We get these beautiful crystals that form at the bottom of our test tube. Absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for engaging in our introduction video for today of our iodine crystal phase change.